Hey, what's up? Back again.
That first bass note hit me in the chest, and I was just like, there's no way that's 2/8.
MBEnclosures has his own YouTube channel, and this guy is an animal when it comes to designing boxes.
Hey, what's up, man? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy MB. I thought it'd be nice to show everything that went into one to build on my enclosures. Used a picturesque view of the video. I saw somebody was doing on YouTube. I think kind of neat. I'm trying to show my box be made like that. So I picked this box. This is George Walker's box. This is his second box for me. The first box I believe was for KICKER Comp Q10s. This is a single SoloX 15. But y'all hear that? I wonder, y'all see how my voice got deeper as I put it inside the enclosure? That's one way you can tell the enclosure is tuned low. As you can see, my voice, if I stand up here, my voice is not resonating. But as I get closer to the, and this is a SoloX 15 hole, as I get closer to the hole, even talking inside the box, you can see how it's already amplifying. And I'm just talking at a regular level. So that lets me know the box is gonna do what it's supposed to do. This is for a KICKER SoloX 15. A lot of people like this design, particularly for solo boxes. I've built it several times. I've had it on the channel. Well, this particular time, I'm going to show you exactly how it's constructed and why in a picturesque form. So let's begin. Let's start that. Okay, here we go. Let's look at this, all the pieces that we need: the bracing, the front and back walls, side walls. And this is the start of the SoloX 15 box. You see I don't know if you can see the 45s there, but you can see the wall bracing and the column bracing. So first I'm doing the top baffle. Now I did the cutout. As you can see, the pencil centered it on the top baffle. And then I really want to zoom in here and let you see the roundels that I put on the inside of my enclosures to cut down on some of that turbulence, mechanical noise you might hear as the cone moves. Put up the front wall, which this winds up being the front wall. Yeah, put that in. I actually took the clamps off, and I went through every time I did the video, I just keep taking the clamps off. But I'm using clamps, glue, and brad nails. Strategically placed brad nails to build the enclosure. Here, I didn't show you. I didn't show you taking them off, but it's clamps and glue and brad nails applying. So now I'm finna start the other side. All right. Okay. Putting the second wall up. Let it set just for a second. Like 2-3 minutes and move on. Now this is the 45s at the end of the ports. Now it's two twin ports. It's a 6-inch port cut in half. I only believe in 45s right where the port bends at. That's the only way a port 45 is needed, in my opinion. Anything else is just eating up your airspace. I've installed the first port here. And this is 3 inches wide. I think I can show you another shot so you can see the bracing along that wall. That's a brace right there on that port wall. That's very, very crucial to stop that port wall from resonating outside the frequency that's supposed to be generated. You can see the round over on both sides. I didn't put an L there. I just used 2 pieces of wood. That's all I needed to get my bend length and round it over. This is the bracing on the back of the enclosure. And I believe I show another shot where we have, I'm going to show you a solid where you see the brace on the front and the back and the port wall. So you see all the braces. 8 braces inside there. Besides the thickness of the port wall itself, it's going to help strengthen the box. But I still take it a step further because of how heavy the SoloX 15 is. I put column bracing, and each one of those column braces is 0.028. 1.5 inches thick, 3 inches wide, 13.5 inches high. So I put that on all 4 cardinal positions to even cut down even more resonance. And if you see, the column bracing is very close to the bracing on the of the enclosure on its front and back, so it gives even more strength, more rigidity. Here I put the bottom on. And so I built the box up that upside down. Sometimes it's how it works. And here I'm going to flip it back over, so you can see. In fact, I've already did the second baffle here, but let's just go over it a little bit more. I'm showing you the round over on the ports, and you can see the 45 on the inside. See that showing. And then this next shot, you're going to actually see both ports. And that's really just one 6-inch port cut in half. That's how that works when you see twin ports. 16 square inches of port area, and we're tuned to 31 hertz, man. Very low. This is the up top. Yeah. So I gotta do some sanding. That's the second baffle put on. This is what it looks like on the inside. Cleaned up, a little tile, cleaned up some of that glue. And you can see all the brakes on the inside of the enclosure. Keep that resonance down. Okay, so we're back. You see how the box was constructed. All the bracing, the ports, why I did the twin port is actually, I broke it all down. So you see, this is what goes into my single enclosures. Now I have some ideas on how I'm going to beautify the outside of the box and give it its own signature look. Stay tuned.